Hello, I am Jonathan Crook, Print Technical Consultant for HP. In this training video, I will quickly show you how to browse folders in the Scan to Folder option in the FutureSmart 4 or 5 firmware platform on our enterprise class devices. Depending on your model and firmware level, some features or buttons may not be available. Today I am using an enterprise class 6 series device with flow features. Browsing folders inside the Scan to Folder option has been around for a while. In order to utilize browsing folders, first, you're going to go into the QuickSet or network folder contact that you're looking at. You're going to click on the folder path. And on the right-hand side there's a folder icon next to the address book icon. When you click that folder icon, the machine will access the folder, show you subfolders inside of there. And not only can you see those subfolders, but you can navigate into folders underneath that as well. So I can click here and then go into folder B. This allows me to browse folders inside of that main folder path. I can click the back arrow next to folder B and I can go back a level as well. So if I didn't find the folder I'm looking for, I can sit here and I can browse into the other areas. When utilizing it from the address book, the same thing applies. The only difference is when I hit plus, I'm going to hit the address book first, select the contact I want to do, click add, click save, and then I'm going to be able to click on that folder path, and now you'll see that folder icon appears for me, where I can click on that folder icon and it will verify the folder and show me subfolders. I hope this has been informative for you. Have a great day.